And here we're going to discuss about the sound energy. So what is this sound all about? We need to define and discuss the properties of sound energy. Sound is a form of energy and it can be heard and even travels in the form of a wave. When matter vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly, a sound is made. So, in terms of the elements of the sound, you have to remember that there should be the one that is producing the sound, the vibration itself. There should be a medium for it to be able to travel, and there should be a receiver for us to say that sound is really made. So, in here, you will see in the air molecules on how sound traveled from the source down to the receiver. Sound waves can travel through, it can be in solid, it can be in liquid, or it can be in gas or in the form of air. Sound passes through a medium as a longitudinal wave. When you say a longitudinal wave, then the wave is moving forward, backward, parallel to the direction of the sound. There should be a medium to travel. It is quite different from a transverse wave, wherein the best example for a transverse wave is the light wave. But in this sound, you will see that it is in the form of a longitudinal wave, so therefore it travels forward, backward, or parallel to the direction of the energy or sound. So the molecules, whether that is solid, liquid, or gas, transfer the energy from the source down to the receiver, from one particle to another. Another representation on how sound travels. And here, the professor is performing on how sound travels. The sound or the wave of the sound composed of different parts like this. We have, if there's a compression like this, then we call it compression. And we have the rarefaction also. In terms of how fast travels in different mediums, with the use of the domino, you will see it represents the position or the arrangement of the particles or the space in between the particles. And you will see that since in solid, the particles are closely packed together, then therefore the sound travels faster than the liquid, then least in a gas. The vibrating object makes the air around it vibrate. For human, our vocal cords is the one that producing the vibration, and then it will pass through your mouth with the help of your tongue, with the help of different parts of your mouth, like the jaw, you're able to speak or to form it in a word. We use our vocal cords to make sound in our throat. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrates. Try to touch your neck here, where the vocal cords is positioned, and then try to feel the vibration as you talk. Sound vibration move through the air into your ears and make the eardrums vibrate. Look at the animation and how the sound is being received by our ear and how the eardrums vibrate as the vibration passes through. Another representation on how the sound travels, received by our ears. In some animals, they are using this echolocation since they are or the eyes are not fully functioning in as their body parts. They are using their ears in order to locate their food for them to be able to travel also. Again, we call this process echolocation. So how does this happen? So you can see here, the bat is the best example that a kind of mammal that uses vibration or echolocation in order to locate the food. Even in the whales, they are using also the sound in order to volume is how loud or soft a sound is. Loud sounds use a lot of energy, while the soft sounds use less energy. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. Objects that vibrate quickly make a higher pitch. This is an example of a wave in a higher pitch and in a lower pitch. High frequency for the higher pitch and low frequency for the lower pitch. Objects that vibrate slowly make a lower pitch, like when you are using a bass tone for male. So therefore, those are the things that we reviewed about the sound. Remember that sound is a form of energy. It is a vibration. It travels with the need of a medium, whether the medium is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. It is a longitudinal wave. It is in the form of a longitudinal wave. And also, in terms of volume, it tells something about how loud or soft the sound is. When the sound is loud, it uses a lot of energy to be produced. When it is in a soft, then it has low energy. In terms of pitch, it tells whether the pitch or the sound is high or the pitch is low. So that's it for our sound energy review. Thank you very much for listening and bye bye.